This is the bone screw Pullout Force interactive calculator, which determines the maximum force required to pull a screw out of bone tissue. Let's look at the inputs. First, we select our calculation mode from 6 options. Calculate pullout force, calculate required bone density, calculate required outer diameter, calculate required engaged length, calculate safety factor, or calculate thread stress distribution. For this demo, I'm using calculate pullout force. Next, we choose the bone type, cancellous, cortical, or osteoporotic. I'll select cancellous. Now we enter our parameters: bone density in grams per cubic centimeter, outer diameter in millimeters, engaged length in millimeters, thread pitch in millimeters, applied force in newtons, and desired pullout force in newtons. For our example, I'll input bone density 0.35, outer diameter 6.5, engaged length 25, thread pitch 2.75, applied force 800, and desired pullout force 1000. After clicking calculate, we get pullout force of 4550 newtons, effective contact area of 510.51 square millimeters, interface shear stress of 8.913 megapascals, number of threads at 9.1, and a stability classification of excellent, with the clinical recommendation stating strong fixation suitable for weight-bearing applications. Find the link in the description below.